You know what this means. It's our October Workspace Spark unboxing. This month's box is Career Mastery. Now look, we're not just a subscription box, right? Like we're an online community that helps career professionals advance in their careers, update their resumes, negotiate their salaries, dealing with difficult bosses. Last month's box, we talk about integrity and leadership. So please, when you join our community, not only do you get this amazing box, you also get career experts and advice. We have happy hours in our Facebook group, and we have so much more than just the box. So the box is amazing, but just want to remind you of all the things that we do behind the scenes just for you. So this month's box is Career Mastery. I'm going to dive into these products, but first I'm going to talk about this month's training. So this month's training is with Kanika Tolliver. Now, yes, we've seen her beautiful face before. We had to bring her back because we have a secret in the box. But what does quiet quitting really mean? You've seen the messages, quiet quitting. Some people say it's a young person's term, but a lot of people are quietly quitting right now. So we dive right into what that really means and give you some tips on how to revamp your career and give yourself a career rehab. Hint, hint. Anyways, check out this month's training on our YouTube channel. So let's dive right on in. The Career Rehab book. So we wanted to bring this book into this box because for a lot of us, it is time to rehab our careers. This is rebuild your personal brand and rethink the way you work. So I could not, yes, I say this all the time, but every month we get better and better. And my discussion with Kanika was amazing. And I was even taking notes because it's time for me to revamp my own career. So check this book out. Please let me know in the comments how much you love it, what your favorite chapters are, and what quotes or what things stood out to you the most. Next up, the little book light. Isn't it cute? So it clips on your book, or it has a little stand where it can actually stand on your desk. Why would you want this? So I like to read at night sometimes. My husband's asleep, snoring, but I'm trying to get some reading in before the end of the night. And I use this book light, so I don't have to have the whole ceiling fan light on. But cute, cute, cute. Love it. Great quality. And again, you can clip it on your book, or you can put it on your desk. Golden Sun Notebook, cute notebook for all notes. Listen, you can't be a Workspace Spark subscriber and not like notebooks, right? We listen to you all and everyone says they like a good notebook. So I searched high and low for notebooks that are different and unique, and these ones are hand drawn. So hope that you enjoy this month's notebook. Course, mechanical pencil. So I'm a pencil girl. Now we try to switch it up. We give you pens and pencils, but I'm a pencil girl. So this made me smile. These are cute pencils from Idlewild Company. Refillable as well. And if you take the little cap off, there's an eraser for you. And last but not least, Ubrand flower binder clips. Who doesn't need binder clips? And binder clips don't have to be boring. They can be cute. So we hope that you enjoy. I love Ubrand's products, always great quality. You know, anytime we are looking for products, we're looking high and low for the best of the best for our subscribers. So hope that you enjoy everything in this month's box. Please let me know what your favorite items are. And until next time.